Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Maricel Alan, 42 years old. I have one kid, married. Um, I already work here in Hong Kong 6 years. I, my previous employer was taking good care of kids, 2 adults and 5 kids. And now I finished as 2 years, and then my second employer here was I. There are only three in the family and taking good care of one kids. I will be finished on August 21. I also worked Taiwan 2004, taking good care of Ama and Ako. I finished 3 years there, and then my next employer there 2007 was taking good care of 2 kids. I finished 9 years there. Then I transfer here in Hong Kong because of my child studying. So I need to work hard for my family. I am loving and also love play to the kids. If you give me a chance to work with you or taking good care of your kids, I am happy to work with you, ma'am and sirs. I'm also know how to speak Mandarin. I'm willing to work with you, and I hope that you will give me a chance to work with you, ma'am and sir.